In this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit WhatsApp messages after sending. Wish you could fix your WhatsApp mistake quickly. Picture easily correcting typos, updating wrong information, and avoiding embarrassment from sending the wrong message, all with a simple click. We all want a second chance to make our text perfect. But before this review, I have a little request from you guys. Please like this video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe, and more importantly, hit the notification bell for more awesome content. That would mean a lot to me. After you send the message, you need to tap and hold your finger on it. Now tap on three dots on top corner and click on Edit. Now you will see the edited message on your friend's WhatsApp.